Big Brother 27 continues to deliver shocking moments and unexpected gameplay as the house guests fight it out with each other on their way to the grand prize, and Week 9 has proven to be one of the most unpredictable stretches of the season so far. With alliances cracking, secret deals being exposed, and trust fading inside the house, the power of veto ceremony has once again become the centerpiece of drama, leaving fans buzzing about the latest results. Now that the competition has played out and the dust has settled, the results of Week 9's Power of Veto are in, and they are setting the stage for a week filled with backstabs, strategy shifts, and possibly one of the biggest blindsides of the season. Warning: spoilers ahead for anyone not caught up. Heading into Week 9, the house dynamic was already tense. With fewer players left, the margins for error are razor thin and every move is magnified. The head of household set the tone by nominating two players who have both been seen as potential threats. But as always in Big Brother, the power of veto has the potential to flip the script completely. Fans know that the veto is often the most powerful tool in the game, especially this deep into the season, because it can undo nominations, shift alliances, and force new strategies into play. That is exactly what has happened this week. The Week 9 Power of Veto competition was intense, featuring a grueling mental and physical challenge designed to test focus, endurance, and speed under pressure. According to live feed updates and insiders, the challenge pushed players to their absolute limits, with multiple competitors stumbling as they tried to balance quick decision-making with the physical endurance required to complete the task. As always, the stakes were clear: win, and you control your fate; lose, and you risk being on the chopping block. In a surprising twist, the Week 9 Power of Veto winner is none other than a house guest who was not originally considered the favorite to win competitions. The underdog victory has thrown the house into chaos, as alliances were forced to recalculate their paths forward. This player's win not only saved them from potential eviction but also gave them the leverage to make a bold strategic move that could alter the trajectory of the season. Fans who have been rooting for shakeups are now thrilled to see new possibilities emerge. The veto ceremony was filled with tension as the winner had to make a difficult decision. Would they use the power of veto to save one of the nominees, or would they play it safe and keep nominations the same? In true Big Brother fashion, the decision shocked both the house guests and viewer alike. After much deliberation, the veto winner decided to use the power, removing one of the original nominees from the block. That choice forced the head of household to name a replacement nominee, and the fallout from that decision has left the house completely divided. The replacement nomination has sparked outrage, tears, and whispered conversations throughout the Big Brother house. Allies are questioning each other's loyalty, side deals are being exposed, and players who thought they were safe are now scrambling to secure votes. This is the kind of drama Big Brother fans live for, when the safety net is pulled out from under key players and everyone is left to fight for survival. With eviction night looming, the house guests are more paranoid than ever, knowing that one wrong word or one misplaced vote could seal their fate. Social media has exploded with reactions to the Week 9 Power of Veto results. Fans are debating whether the veto winner made the right call, with some praising the boldness of their decision while others argue it may backfire spectacularly. Some viewers believe the replacement nominee is being unfairly targeted, while others say this was the smartest move possible to weaken a strong competitor and shift the power balance in the house. Regardless of where fans fall in the debate, one thing is certain: the decision has reignited excitement for what promises to be a dramatic eviction. This week's developments also highlight how fragile alliances have become at this stage of the game. Earlier in the season, large alliances dominated and dictated the flow of the game, but as numbers dwindle, loyalty becomes less reliable. House guests are starting to prioritize their own endgames rather than group strategy, and that is why the power of veto in Week 9 has caused such a seismic shift. Players who thought they had allies locked in are suddenly realizing those bonds may not be as strong as they believed. Another interesting aspect of this week's veto fallout is how it has exposed the different layers of strategy among the remaining house guests. Some are focused on immediate survival, doing whatever it takes to get through eviction night, while others are playing the long game, thinking 2 or 3 moves ahead. The veto winner's bold decision reflects this duality. While it may put them at risk next week, it could also cement their place as a true power player if the move pays off. For casual viewer who only tune into the televised episodes, the drama will unfold over the next few days, but live E-feed watchers are already seeing the repercussions play out in real time. The paranoia inside the house is palpable, with late-night conversations, shifting voting blocks, and plenty of tears. This is Big Brother at its finest, unpredictable, messy, and utterly captivating. As eviction night approaches, all eyes will be on the replacement nominee and their campaign to stay in the house. With the numbers so close, every conversation matters, and this eviction could come down to a single vote. Fans are speculating about potential tie scenarios, last-minute flips, and whether the head of household will be forced to break a tie, which would only add another layer of drama to an already explosive week. In the bigger picture, the Week 9 power of veto results may end up being one of the defining moments of Big Brother 27. The decision to use the veto and force a replacement nomination has not only shaken up this week but also has long-term implications for who ultimately makes it to the final weeks. It's moments like these that remind fans why Big Brother remains such a beloved and unpredictable game after so many seasons. With just a few weeks left until the finale, the intensity is only going to grow. The Week 9 power of veto may have set off a chain reaction that no one saw coming, and fans can't wait to see how the remaining house guests adapt. Will this move go down as one of the smartest plays of the season, or will it be remembered as a fatal mistake that cost a player their shot at the $500,000 prize? Only time will tell, but for now, the Big Brother 27 house is on fire with drama, strategy, and suspense, making Week 9 one of the most unforgettable chapters of the season. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more of that. E-News.